Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Confirm your cellular plan supports personal hotspot and that mobile data is active. Once done, restart both the iPhone and the device you want to connect. A quick power cycle clears temporary network glitches. Make sure airplane mode is toggled on briefly then off to reset radios. Then go straight to Settings, Cellular, Personal Hotspot, enable it, and note the Wi-Fi password. This sets the baseline for all further troubleshooting and connection attempts. Next, test each tethering method to find where the problem lies. Try Wi-Fi first because it's simplest. If that fails, pair devices via Bluetooth and attempt tethering. Finally, test USB with a Lightning cable to confirm physical link. On Mac, use the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth menu. On Windows, enable the iPhone as a network adapter in network connections or via iTunes. If one path consistently fails, reset network settings to remove corrupted profiles. This often fixes persistent handshaking issues. To finish, install any iOS and carrier updates, because many hotspot bugs are fixed in software releases. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Software Update. If problems persist, call your carrier to confirm hotspot provisioning and APN configuration on your account, since carriers sometimes disable hotspots server-side. Finally, isolate the issue by testing with another client device or swapping the SIM into a second iPhone. If the symptom follows the SIM, it's an account issue. If it follows the phone, it's a device or settings problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.